working somewhere or you have a business or something?
Yeah, I am startup founder.
A startup founder. That's great. That's great. So we'll talk about
Oh,
that. So,
teams member.
huh?
Co-host 14 member.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So we'll talk about it. So Rakesh ji, hello, good evening.
Hi, very good evening.
Hi Rakesh ji, how are you? From where you are?
I'm from Hyderabad.
You're from Hyderabad. Okay, that's great. We have people from Hyderabad. They will be joining soon also. So actually,
Hmm?
this platform is basically to share ideas. If you have an existing business, you can share a screen. We record it, so you can actually share it among your clients and all. People because people do that. And telling about Zoovit, I am Avinash. I am the founder of Zoovit. Zoovit is a platform, as my screen is visible. Zoovit is a platform where we help businesses to go online. Let's say, for example, if you have a new business or a emerging business and you don't have a website, so what we help you is that we'll help you providing a website which looks like this. It's a business profile where the name is written here. एक सेकंड दीदी थोड़ा धीरे बोलो दी प्लीज. It's a business profile. You can share about what your company is about and products and services. N number of products and services you have, you can share it here. We have a product pages also, so it's like a full website. And one more thing is that offers. If you have any offers, events, reviews, you can share it all together here. You can come here and get in touch, WhatsApp, email, connect online, website, Insta, Facebook, all social media handles, and your location as well. So this is how we help businesses to go online, because they it becomes very difficult for them to make their website and maintain it. Maintaining is a very tedious task for most of the web people, business owner, which who we have talked about. So we actually help them provide a dashboard where they can manage all these websites. Let's say, for example, if you have a cafe, you can register as many cafe in your city. Let's say, for example, if you have a brew cafe, so you can see here all the things related to your brew cafe. We provide you a business card also, that it looks like this, and a shop sticker as well. And if you have any event you want to post, just click here, create. In one click you can create your event. In one click you add one more business, right? Like product, in one click you can add products. So this is how our dashboard looks like. And one of the most important thing is that we provide business analytics. Anyone who come on your profile, anyone who clicks on your social media handle, anyone who come on your profile views, call, WhatsApp, everything is visible here. So we help them not just go online. We consult them. Okay, you can go for a website also. You can go for a social media handling management also. We provide that as well. So this is how we help businesses to manage their social media handles. Our offers is featured plan is 999, where we provide you a featured batch. Analytics plan, where you can see the business analytics, and the combo plan where all both of these things are present, and the business analytics with 7-day featured business campaign from our side, meta ad campaigning with the results we provide them, and a physical business kit we also provide them in 2400. So this is how Zoovit works. Businesses are coming here, and they are coming and actually promoting themselves, which is a good thing. We have more than 1200 businesses, around 1300 businesses live on 128 categories have been listed with us. So this is the introduction about Zoovit. And now, uh, as Vikas ji has said that he is also having a business, so you can share about your business. It would be great for us to listen. We are also recording this, so it will also going to be on YouTube. If you don't have any issue, you can actually share about your business. That would be great. Okay. Thanks, Kaushik. Thanks. You can actually unmute and you speak. Hello, Kaushik. How are you?
Hi guys. Yeah,
Hi.
I mean the idea is so amazing. First time I'm seeing these kind of yeah
Okay, okay.
businesses, right? Yeah, it's very difficult to manage this website infra part and all. Yeah. Mm.
Exactly. So earlier it was like a just dial, but now we have actually helped them businesses to go online in a multiple ways. So that's why it is not just limited to just business listing, but
Yeah.
actually approaching.
Yeah. I guess it's kind of a 1 minute process if I don't. I mean, if I'm not wrong, like
Yeah.
business can just sign up, give the details, and their website is ready. Is
Yeah.
this? I mean, I've joined it between, so I'm not sure.
No,
Is
no,
it
no.
something like that?
Yeah, exactly.
Avinash,
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah,
Vikaji.
Avinash, yeah. I asked that this is if I want my website,
Yes.
then you deploy on my domain, this on your platform.
So, Vikas ji, we provide website development, we provide server services, we also provide domain services. If you don't have any, don't no worries. You come to us, we provide everything. You just have to work on your business. The all social media and backend, our team is there. Everything will be done for you.
Okay. So how much you charge?
So it depends on the website if it is a static website, if the domain is existing or not, if the domain is, see, we are not charging for domain.
Domain is the secondary. I only that key coding of the websites and or all service.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So everything can be done. If you contact us, we'll have a,
How much cost?
so for the static website, for the maintenance server, everything can be done around 15 to 20,000 approximately. But we can have some charges which actually help you and
Yeah,
negotiating with
minimum
you.
charges you said that 15 to 20,000.
Yeah, yeah. A very static website. We will happy to host the same.
In this,
So
you also be develop the admin panels, backend, and dashboards of the third party, everything.
everything we provide.
Okay, okay, nice, good.
Yeah. So we are
You
not.
you run startups, you run.
So it's a private limited company. We have a whole team of 15 people, where there is a marketing team, where the developing team, and the operations team, and I'm the founder.
Your location?
And location is Lucknow.
Okay, Lucknow, very good. Dasal, I am the founder of the Pabesto Tech. Pabesto Tech, like in working in incubator center.
Acha,
We
okay.
also provide tech, tech sports and co-working space in Gurugram.
Tech working space. So what is the? Do you have a website, Vikaji?
Yeah, yeah, Pabesto Tech. I will send you. And this is on in free.
This is free.
If startup are the selected, then your cost is zero.
Acha, your cost is zero. So how do you
Uh,
do that?
we we charge base of equity.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
कब आपने start कब किया? You can speak in the language you want actually.
हमने ये अभी एक ही महीना हुआ है.
अच्छा, एक महीना हुआ है. सो
वन-
आपको clients वगैरह मिलने लगे?
या क्लाइंट्स अभी हमने 4 स्टार्टअप्स को वो भी किया है, उनका काम भी स्टार्ट कर दिया है. हमारे
ओके.
पास लगभग 150 प्लस इंक्वायरी हैं.
150 प्लस इंक्वायरी. आप मार्केटिंग करते हैं?
नो नो, हम डायरेक्ट हमारे पास एप्लीकेशंस होती हैं.
अच्छा, ओके. सो दिस इज योर वेबसाइट इफ वी शेयर. सो Pabisto Tech. What is the meaning of Pabisto?
दिस इज सिंपल ओनली.
अच्छा, आपकी वेबसाइट तो काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है वैसे. ओके, सो
Yeah.
दिस इज़ अ गुड थिंग. वी आर ऑल्सो रिकॉर्डिंग दिस, तो ये आप रिकॉर्डिंग यूज़ भी कर सकते हैं. आप किसको
Yeah.
शेयर भी कर सकते हैं, बट इट्स अ गुड इनिशिएटिव. और कैसे
हम इसमें एक स्टार्टअप्स को पूरा 360 डिग्री उसको हेल्प कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा, जैसे.
जैसे पूरा कोवर्किंग दे रहे हैं. मैं दिखाऊं, ये हमारा कोवर्किंग है, ये पूरा का पूरा. अगर आप देखोगे, ठीक है, हमारे यहाँ पे पूरा यानी कि आपका ऑफिस रूम, कैबिन्स, सब कुछ एवरीथिंग आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा।
अच्छा ओके। ओके अच्छा आप
मीटिंग
वहीं
रूम,
पर हैं।
या मीटिंग रूम हो गया आपका, गेम जोन, सब एवरीथिंग।
ओके।
वो 24 आवर्स है।
तो फिर इसमें कितने क्या चार्जेस क्या हैं फॉर कोवर्किंग स्पेसेस?
चार्जेस, चार्जेस क्या होता है कि आपको हमारा प्रोग्राम है, आप देखोगे तो इंटरप्रेन्योर प्रोग्राम हमारा, ठीक है, आपको उसमें अप्लाई करना है, मैंने लिंक भेजा है। तो उसमें अप्लाई करने के बाद क्या होता है कि हम एवेलेट करते हैं स्टार्टअप्स को, फिर हम उसको पिच के लिए बुलाते हैं। ठीक है, अगर उसका हमें उसके 2-3 राउंड होते हैं, अगर उसका सब कुछ ओके रहता है तो देन वी प्रोवाइड द इक्विटी, ओनली 5% इक्विटी।
5% इक्विटी इन देयर कंपनी?
हाँ, 5% इक्विटी लेंगे हम, आपको पूरा पूरा सब कुछ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट कराएंगे हम आपको। आगे चल के आपकी फंडिंग में भी हेल्प करवाएंगे, आपकी फाइनेंशियल
अच्छा।
मॉडल बनाना, पिच डेक बनाना, और आपको इन्वेस्टर वीसी हाउस के पास आपको पिच करवाना, सब कुछ हमारी तरफ से फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट रहता है।
अच्छा ओके। तो ये तो अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है। सो
या
ओके सो एनी स्टार्टअप कैन कांटेक्ट यू। आप आई जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट यू टू एक्चुअली फिल आउट द फॉर्म सो दैट वी कैन गेट कनेक्टेड, बिकॉज हमारे पास काफ़ी आते हैं। गुड़गांव में भी हमारे पास एक दो लोग हैं जो कि दे आर सर्चिंग फॉर
या
कोवर्किंग
किसी को आपको
स्पेसेस।
पता है कि गुड़गांव में कितना महंगा है, आप उनको वो कर सकते हो, अप्रोच कर सकते हो। गुड़गांव में काफी महंगा कोवर्किंग मिल रहा है, हम
ओके।
आपको कोवर्किंग बिल्कुल फ्री दे रहे हैं। बस आपके आइडिया में दम होना चाहिए, सब कुछ हम कर देंगे।
अच्छा ओके। तो आपके पास कोई आइडिया एवेल्युएशन के लिए टीम भी है क्या?
हाँ हाँ, पूरा आइडिया वैलिडेशन के लिए हमारे पास पूरी टीम है, पूरा हम पूरा आइडिया वैलिडेट कर रहे हैं।
ओके।
हाँ, हमारा इंस्टाग्राम पेज भी है।
अच्छा ओके। तो आप शेयर कर सकते हैं, आप शेयर कर सकते हैं इफ
हाँ,
एनीवन
मैं
वांट्स टू।
इंस्टाग्राम पेज भी आपको शेयर कर रहा हूँ। हम अभी स्टार्टअप्स के हमारे प्रोग्राम भी चल रहे हैं, तो उनका भी शो हम पूरा लाइक एक उनका पूरा पिच को इवेलेट करते हैं, क्या क्या सब चीज रहती है।
अच्छा ओके। दैट्स नाइस, दैट्स रियली नाइस। सो यू कैन एक्चुअली शेयर, यू कैन एक्चुअली फिल आउट द फॉर्म, वी कैन गेट कनेक्टेड विकास जी। ये बहुत ही
आई
अच्छा
सेंड
इनिशिएटिव है।
फॉर्म लिंक, मैंने चैट में डाल दिया है फॉर्म का, आप वहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो।
अच्छा ओके ओके। बढ़िया
या
बढ़िया। सो
इसमें भी है, आप इसको हमारा जो बेस्ट एआई है इसको डाउन करोगे तो आपको दिखेगा। आप कुछ बोल के भी देख सकते हो, या पूरी हेल्प करेगा, आप टेस्ट कर सकते हो इसको।
अच्छा यहाँ पे
आप
नीचे है
वॉइस
क्या?
वॉइस पे कीजिए, वॉइस पे।
वॉइस पे?
हाँ,
ओके।
ये रहा माइक है इसके साथ में, माइक ये रहा, हाँ इस पे।
अच्छा अलाउ दिस टाइम। ओके। सो इफ आई आस्क अबाउट लिसनिंग ना, सो अबाउट टू लिसन नाउ। नमस्ते, बहुत अच्छा। तो आपने ये सब इंटीग्रेट कर रखा है कहाँ से?
हमारा खुद का प्रोडक्ट है, इन हाउस
अच्छा।
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग।
ओह वाह।
यस।
तो ये तो एक्चुअली काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ है। तो एक महीने में आपने काफ़ी कुछ डेवलप कर लिया एज अ वेबसाइट एंड काफ़ी कुछ।
हाँ, ये हमारी वेबसाइट, आप सब देख सकते हो इस पे।
ओके।
ये सिर्फ हमारी टीम है, हमारा 24 आवर्स काम चलता है।
24 आवर्स काम चलता है? ओके।
हाँ, तभी तो हम स्टार्टअप को हेल्प कर पाते हैं।
नहीं, नाइस 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 विकास जी। सो ये तो बड़ी अच्छी चीज़ है। सो ओके। सो अभी हमारे से साथ जुड़े हुए हैं कौशिक, राकेश एंड जतिन। सो हेलो, you can actually
Hi,
share about,
hi.
yeah, hello, how are you? You have any startup idea or anything idea or something, or startup in existence so you can share?
Uh, yeah, I mean, I have a startup, but haven't kind of started it.
Acha okay okay.
Um, yeah, I mean, I just have a domain, and I haven't launched it. You can say that
Okay,
product building is still happening. So yeah,
what is it about?
yeah, you're asking something. So yeah, it's a completely tech startup. It's a SaaS product. So
Okay.
basically, there is a service called Cloud Solutions, wherein companies contact other vendors to manage their infra. I mean, to even like create infra and also manage them. So
Creating infra
uh,
and manage them. So it's like co-working spaces for them or something.
no. So basically, right, let's say you have an tech company, not
Okay.
even tech, any company where you require a cloud infra. Okay,
Okay.
I guess you might be having idea about this cloud infra. You are already managing it.
Yes,
So
yes, yeah.
cloud infra. So yeah, I mean, how do you how did you generate? I mean, what infra did you select? If you could answer.
So actually,
Are you
I'm
using AWS?
no, no, we are not using AWS for now. But
Mhm.
that to some extent, if we are talking about the tech. My
Yeah.
tech team is more aware about it. I'm not that very technical, but
Okay. So usually, right? I mean, yeah, team decides whether at the starting
yeah,
of any website or anything, they'll be deciding it, right?
yeah,
Okay, let's go with this infra. Like two, three servers will go this for storage. We'll use this. We'll use this, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So most of the companies, right? Even non-tech, let's say you. At present, you have a team, but yeah, there might be a time where you don't have team and you wanted to manage the infra part as well.
Exactly.
Because the Claude is writing the code, it's fine, but how to host it in your own server? So yeah, for that I have made an custom agent wherein it will generate an infra for you. You just have to explain your requirements like yeah, I have this mobile application or else I have these web applications and this is my user base and all. Yeah, please create me an infra. So what my agent does it will generate an infra and you can even deploy it in your own cloud. And once it got deployed, right, you can even manage your infra in the sense like let's say you wanted another server. You can just go ahead and ask your agent that could you please create me another server. It will create another server for you and deploy it in your own cloud.
Acha, that's nice. Something
Yeah.
new. Is there anyone who is doing the same? Competitors and all?
Yeah, they are doing it. There are two, three competitors which are generating IAC code, I mean infrastructure as code. But yeah, this managing part, this only few are doing, but at the enterprise level. But yeah, my target audience is kind of indie hackers, solo founders, and I mean, yeah, similar things. So these kind, let's
Okay.
say, as I took your example, right, at starting. So
Okay.
it's kind of the stage where people are right now is they're kind of writing websites, doing everything. But yeah, once they wanted to deploy in their own cloud, right, they have very less idea. So what they can do is they can directly ask my agent to could you create me an infra? It will create and you can deploy your website over there.
Okay. So
I
what
mean,
is the? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please.
yeah, I mean, I'm saying that I have this MCP server as well for my product, wherein you can link your Claude to my MCP and ask Claude, saying that I have linked my Cloud Hub account to you. Please deploy my website into my cloud server, and Claude will do it using Cloud Hub MCP.
Acha. Okay. So is there any customer currently you have? Any clients you have currently?
Mm. No, I haven't launched it yet.
Okay, but that's a
And
good idea. What is the name of the startup or the domain?
it's Cloud Hub with K.
Cloud Hub. So if we search it right now, can we find
Yeah,
it?
yeah, you will get it. KLOUD Hub HUB. It has yeah, this one, the
Okay.
first one. Yes.
So you have made the website, and the
Yeah,
website is okay. It's good. Is it on vibe coding or something?
I mean 50 to 60% is vibe coded, but yeah,
Yeah.
remaining.
There is no issue, bro. In vibe coding, vibe coding is good.
No, I do a lot of vibe coding. Even my whole product is vibe coding. But yeah, I have the thing is I don't do blind vibe coding
Okay. No,
because
actually, it is very important.
yeah, I have no. I mean, I'm into cybersecurity.
Okay.
It's been around 5 years now. So yeah, I have knowledge about security, infra part, and the developing part. So yeah, when vibe coding it, I'm a bit
Nice.
like instructive guy. I give very strict instruction to Claude on what to do. So
Oh.
yeah,
And
website
actually,
is a bit safe.
from yeah, it is a bit safe also. In the vibe coding is actually if you are following the standards, it is safe. And from your DP, it looks like you're younger. You're very young also.
Yeah, yeah, 23 right now.
Oh, nice. Yeah. So Is your first startup or you have done more startups?
No, I mean, can't say startup. I just build products for fun. So not sure if I have to launch this or no. Even I
Actually,
have a yeah, yeah. I
so
mean,
you
yeah, these are just for fun. One day, I mean, I'm thinking to launch this, but not sure.
no, actually you should go and try it out because we have a person here in the room, Puna. Hello, Puna. How are you?
Hey, hi, Avnash.
Hi. So Puna is a very amazing person. He knows about this as well. I guess definitely Puna, you know about this.
Actually, as I mentioned already, we are like quite old school. We have built all pipelines, everything already, and Kubernetes clusters, everything. So one thing I wanted to know, like Kaushik, do you also have the support of Kubernetes and everything in this?
Yes,
And most of the times nowadays, one more thing, I just wanted to ask the tech stack that you are using for building the infra.
building the infra. I mean, the agent
Yeah.
generates Terraform code and it will get deployed.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Got it.
Yeah, I mean,
So how?
even
What interesting part? Okay.
what?
Nowadays, like if you see all the solo founders or like
Mm-hmm.
startups, right? They
Mm-hmm.
don't go to AWS.
Mm-hmm.
Instead, they go to like multiple tech stacks. I mean, multiple cloud providers, and then they buy at cheaper prices. Okay.
Yes.
So, for example, in my startup also, like we are tied up with like seven different data centers. Okay, cloud
Okay.
providers, and everything servers from different people based on the pricing. Sometimes some people will have offers only for like today or like 1 week or like 1 month. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we what we do is like we buy from them at that time
Got
when
it.
the things are cheaper. So instead of
Yeah.
we waiting for the response or waiting for other people. So is there anything that you can do in this kind of space?
No,
So
no.
it will be actually very helpful for.
No, no. At this, I mean,
Let me know.
this stage, I don't think so. I can be supporting. So basically, this thing, right? Who are like kind of using a if the Terraform supports it, right? Then yeah, yes. If not, it won't.
Yeah. So what I suggest is, in case if you want to move forward, okay, I mean, there are a lot of things. My suggestions are simple. We can also provide the options where people can get like the cheapest servers. Okay, and from where you can actually, I mean, where your code exactly fits in. You can check with like different cloud providers where exactly Terraform works and where exactly your code can fit in. Okay, you can also take some partnerships with them. It will be like you are selling their servers. Okay, you are giving them some customer
No, no,
base
no,
and
no,
you are
no,
giving them
no.
the list.
No, no, no. I'll just be clear. I'm not providing, and I won't be providing any cloud services. The thing is,
No, no,
like,
I don't want. No, no. What I'm telling is, you suggest them. Okay, tell them like your agent can
mhm.
handle certain cloud providers like AWS or Azure or like
Yes,
any
yes.
of the cloud providers. Okay, because see, most of the startup founders or solo founders, especially nowadays, like everyone is doing vibe coding, right?
Mm,
Front end as
mhm.
well as back end, and they need to know. A lot of them will not be aware of even like where exactly to host. They might go and buy some basic server from hosting. Okay, and they
Yeah.
lose money. And as you are telling, it's a Terraform stuff. Okay,
Mhm.
you should tell them exactly where your agent will help them in which data centers or which cloud providers does it support.
Got it. Yeah, I mean that thing is already being done. So my harness is right. It's not. I mean, it's not fixed to only one cloud provider. So it's kind of open. You can
No,
just like you
thank
go
you.
to cloud
Yeah,
and yeah, so just like you go to Claude and ask for your website requirement, and it only decides the stack, right? Like React JS or else the Next.js and all. So same like that. If you haven't provided any specific provider, the agent will go ahead and suggest you this. So let's use AWS for this. Let's use GCP for this, and it will suggest. So before user accepts, right? So it will be suggesting all this, and if user clicks on approve, and it will be generating the infra.
Oh,
So
that's
mostly,
nice.
right? Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
mostly this product will be used the tech folks, the nerdy guy, the nerdy ones in the company. So yeah,
I
solo founders, yeah, solo tech founders have to mainly pitch. I mean,
Okay.
kind of, have to say solo tech founders, yeah. So they'll be like, even though they know how to manage, they don't want this headache of managing them individually. They want, if they want, just to give it to AI, right? They'll
Okay.
just say, I want this, and my agent will go ahead and create the servers. And if they want another server, they'll just go again and say that this. So, anyways, this project is just for fun and all. I'm thinking I'll release if it goes in, then fine, or
we
else
c-
no.
Actually we can understand more about it's the background. uh,
Mhm.
it's actually a nice project, you should keep it. But we should also ask Rakesh is in the room. So hello Rakesh, good evening.
Hi, very good evening.
Hi. So as you have seen that we are actually discussing about the ideas and businesses, you can also introduce about
Yes,
yourself and how. Yeah.
yes. Actually, before that, I would like to tell something to
Yeah, yeah, sure, go ahead.
uh, Kaushik. Yeah. So, Kaushik, your idea is really great because as tech founders, even I'm one of them. So we face issues like this. But your idea is really great. But when it comes to a founder, we all look for the cost optimization when it with regards to infra. As Purna rightly mentioned, so people look for lower cost environments. Initially, is like when you start generating revenue, that time you can go ahead with good companies like AWS or Azure. But when you're at early steps, we look for cost optimization. Is your
God.
agent also taking care of this? Is or else it is just going ahead with like the major companies? If I go or ask Claude or ChatGPT, it will suggest me only either Azure or AWS. Mostly 60 to 70% it will suggest AWS only.
Hmm. So
So,
here, yeah, it takes. That's your question, right?
hmm,
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, let me just share my screen.
Yeah, you can
Mm.
go ahead.
Able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I have just logged into yeah, website. So this is what it looks under the hood. So once you logged in, right? So yeah, create cloud. This is what I have said here. So here you can ask. I mean, you can tell in vague English that let's say here a B2B SaaS for invoicing with the backend, and you can mention users, or here you can even mention what do you call your budget as well. Okay, let's say you have budget around $1,000 per month. You can mention it here, so the infra will be built in a way that it it's in your budget. I'm using a live AWS cost APIs, so it will be bringing the live cost, and it will be making sure the whatever the infra is built, right, it's under the cost. So this is one thing. And yeah, these are all the sub future here. You, if you have a team, right, you can manage all your infras here. In my clouds you will have all your individual infras here, and these are kind of instant clouds where you can just click on it and click on deploy. Like let's say these are instant clouds. Let's say you want a WordPress website, you will just click on this and click on deploy now, and you will be having a WordPress server ready in your particular server, and sorry, in your account. Here you have all your deployment logs. Each and every deployment you will be having it here. The approval request part, yeah, if you have a team, right, and if your team wants to deploy your infra, or else if your team wants any extra server, it will route to you, the agent will route to you and ask for request, and if you approve, right, the infrastructure will be deployed. Coming to the shells part, it's again the same. I mean, I mean, I guess most of the tech folks will are aware about the shells. I mean, the command prompts. So here what happens is, let's say you have this cloud account, and if you click on launch, I mean, at present I have stored my backend. Yeah, but yeah, if you click on the launch shell, right, the shell, you will get a pre-configured shell wherein your cloud credentials are already configured, so you can share it with other folks. And the question which you have asked, right, the about the cost, yeah, while building infra also it will be letting, it will be making sure you are in the cost. And here this is just your resource, like you will get a playground with all your infra. Let's say this is my infra. Okay, under AP South one, these are all the resources I have. This is just a playground. So cost analysis, you will be getting your cost analysis here in detail on let's say last 3 months, last 9 months. It's these are all the active resources. But yeah, going to cloud pilot, right? This is the cloud pilot which you have asked for. So cloud pilot is actively scanning for all the resources. Let me go into the latest resource, I mean latest scan. If you go here, right? 1 second. Yes. If you go here, right, you will get a detailed report on your scans, the efficiency of your cloud, the wastage. If you go to the wastage, right, you will get what are the resources which are I mean kind of wasting you the time. Let's say for my not wasting your time, sorry, wasting your money. Yeah. So here, if you see, right, it says that this particular EC2 server is wasting my money. And how much is it wasting? $16. So I mean, I can save up to $16. What is it saying? Uh, Cost by the right size of protection from the current side. It is saying that it's asking me to reduce the because I'm not using this particular server. And even it's the same because the it is severely underutilized. As I'm not using this server, I guess I just might left it out, so it is suggesting this. So you can make sure there is no wastage in your money. I mean, once it is deployed, so you can get a overall score here, and these are all the findings which it has found. You can save $16 here, $16 here, and $4 here. The MCP server, right, I use it very less. That's why it is saying that you can either stop it or change the instant type. So it's kind of your cloud. You can even export the report. Let's say you want PDF report, right? It will be generating one. Let me show you. I guess you guys want me to provide any infra. I can do that.
Kaushik, you can actually fill out the form, so that by filling out the form, you can we can connect with you. Anyone who needs infra or any kind of thing help, so they can actually help in connecting with you. It would be great.
Yeah, where's that form?
Also, it is pinned in the chat. I request everyone to, yeah.
In a WhatsApp chat.
No, no, no. This call chat.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, I guess Rakesh, I guess it's clear. If you want
Yeah,
a demo, right, I can give you the access. I will turn on my backend server for you, and yeah, you can hop in and test it out.
sure. We can actually check that because I have been juggling with ChatGPT, Claude, everything to because I have completed my almost completed my app.
Mhm.
So with regards to infra, I'm just doing brainstorming with ChatGPT and Claude how to build it, and it gave me like nicely 50K dollars per month
What?
infrastructure. That's the reason I'm just again
It's too
doing some
expensive, I
more.
guess, right?
So
Sorry.
Rakesh, one
Hmm.
small thing. I'm a cloud reseller actually. May I know like what is the instance that you are looking for, or which is the one which you are using right now, so that I can literally drastically reduce it to less than $20, and also
No,
it can give you a scalable approach one.
I haven't deployed it yet. It is still in my local machine. So
Okay.
instead, I wanted to take it online. First, I want to build a sandbox environment so that I can test the code.
Hmm. So may
Then
I know
we can
which
take
is
it
the
to the
tech
production.
stack that you are using right now?
Sorry,
Which is the tech stack that you are building right now?
it's a React-based framework.
That is front
On
end, back end.
backend Python, Django,
Okay.
and Postgres SQL.
Okay. So I
And
suggest.
I'm using Pinecone for agent
Okay.
registration.
So I suggest you to do one thing. For
Mm-hmm.
React, deploy it in S3 bucket. Okay, directly. So
Mm-hmm.
it will handle almost all 200,000 requests at once. I mean, in a
Great.
particular second.
Mm-hmm.
So there is nothing to worry about it. All that maximum you get a bill of 1 rupee per month. Okay, maximum.
S3 bucket, you mean?
Sorry.
But S3 bucket is for file storage, right?
And
How?
and it can host only the static website.
Yeah,
What
React
do
is
you
a static
mean?
website only.
I mean, React is not static, right? I don't
Who
think
told
so.
that?
Is it?
Man, I
Is
have
it
all my apps on React only, and we do everything on like
S3?
S3. Yes.
Oh,
Okay, we use S3 and then CloudFront on the top of it, and on the top of it, we also use our SSL certificates. That is also from Amazon only. Everything. So my entire Amazon bill won't even cross like 3 to 5 rupees. Think of it every month.
Oh,
That sounds interesting.
React on S3. Yeah, I heard it for first time. Even I have to try it now.
Okay, and then next is like backend.
Okay, your
So
whole
we
website is on S3 now.
sorry.
I mean, your whole website is on S3 now. The website which you
Yeah.
have shown.
No, may I show my site? Prakash, can you just show my site once?
yeah. Yeah, it's this website if I share.
So I thought about it. I have like different sites.
Sorry, Puna, your voice is not audible.
Yeah, your voice is
Mhm.
breaking.
Is it the
Okay.
screen is visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Screen is visible now.
Okay. This one I have built using Next.js. Okay.
Okay.
And Next.js is a server-side rendering framework, which
Yes.
mostly doesn't fit in uh, S3.
Yes.
Okay. And React is a browser-based rendering system, client-side rendering system. Okay.
Yes.
What happens is like entire code comes into your front end, and then it starts forming in the front end. I mean, like all this logics, everything will happen only in the front end, not in the back end.
Okay.
You got my point, right?
Yeah, yeah. I'm a bit aware.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So for the this one, I had to deploy it on my server,
Okay.
and for a regular site, what I mean is like React one, I have to deploy. So one second. So can you get started for free, Avinash? Once. Yeah. So from here, it is actually a different application. The URL also changes from here. It's a functional site. Okay. So I have more than like I can say like 100 pages.
Okay.
Okay.
So all my 100 pages has to be developed by various teams. Okay. There is a team for it which actually develops. And in case if a particular team collapses it completely, think of it, there are a lot of bugs, but still they made it till production. I mean,
Okay.
after beta stage and then pre-production stage and then in the final production stage. Okay.
Okay.
Still, only those few pages will go down, not the entire site. And this one which you are seeing right now is a content site. Okay.
Okay.
Content site should be rendered pretty fast. User can't wait for a long time. Okay. So I had to host it on the server. And then there is one more thing of my website, which is Perfect SD. Amnish, can you please help me with by opening Perfect SD? And that one is in Hostinger. Okay, it's a PHP page.
Okay.
I don't have to even invest much money here. And basically, Hostinger, I mean, PHP pages, all these are.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I've done it on PHP because my other co-founder, when I started this organization, he did this basic coding in the PHP, and then on the top of it, like every time, like I had to develop on the top of it only. Okay, so
Okay.
you have to understand what kind of site you have to develop first. Okay, if it
Yeah.
is, I mean, content site, or if it is a functionality site. If it's a functionality site which is on React or Next.js or any other application also, you have to better host it on this. I mean, if it is a React site, host it on like AWS S3. That is far better. And if you want to do server side rendering, okay, then go with servers. You got my point?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
got it, got it.
Nice.
Yeah.
So
So one more thing, like
yeah.
I'm just about to host a, the deployment sessions on Sunday. Sorry, Sunday. So in case if you guys are interested, you can join there. Usually what we do is like we also provide free servers for everyone. Almost we give 3 servers for each and every student. And then what they do is like they build a cluster together. I mean, 3 individual servers, they make them as like one cluster and they manage everything from the one cluster itself.
So you have your
Okay.
own cloud service provider. I mean, you
Yes.
are a kind of AWS.
No, no, I'm a reseller. That's it. I just buy from them at bulk and then I give it cheaper prices.
You buy from where
Various cloud providers, startups,
and you
Oh,
sell it to startups.
so it's like
or like solo
trading.
founder who is looking at like cheaper prices and then the best resources.
I mean,
Trading.
then how
Trading.
are you making money, dude?
Even in my room, I have like 200 Mbps plan. Okay, I bought some IP addresses and I set up some servers here, and I'm also setting.
It's like
You are
trading,
one of the crazy dude I met today then.
trading for servers. That's nice. So actually we have Omkar also. Hello Omkar, how are you?
Hi guys,
Hi Omkar. I
I'm
guess
first time joining you.
actually you first time joining. Nice. So you can
Yes,
introduce yourself.
yes. Actually, myself Omkar. I'm a Ayurveda student and from medical background.
Okay.
Actually, I even passionate about the startups. Currently, I'm working with the Tell Me startup. In simple language, you can say that it's preventive mental health app.
Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. We actually इस टाइम में ऐसा हो रहा है कि डायरेक्टली किसी को थेरेपी या फिर मेंटल हेल्थ वगैरह सेशंस वगैरह चाहिए तो अभी वो थोड़ा सा टैबू बन गया है
No,
कि
actually mental wellness sessions are getting popular these days. Not getting taboo, I guess. Is it?
नो नो
Yeah.
आई मीन अगर ऑफलाइन वगैरह जाना होगा तो
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
हाँ
One time I wanted to do it, but yeah, couldn't
यस
find one.
Okay.
देन व्हाट वी थिंक दैट रादर देन हम उस स्टेज तक जाए उस स्टेज से पहले हमारी एक स्टेज होती है जहाँ पर हमें एक्चुअली कोई तो एटलीस्ट सुनने वाला चाहिए होता है जब हमारे पास कोई सुनने वाला ना हो तो फिर हम वो डिप्रेशन एंजाइटी उस स्टेज में जाते हैं तो हमने ऐसा सोचा है मतलब सोचा और वो प्लेटफॉर्म हम अभी बिल्ड कर रहे हैं
Okay.
अभी अभी तो फिलहाल हाँ अ, जैसे कि हम फिर वो जो उस स्टेज से पहले इसलिए तो नाम है प्रिवेंटिव मेंटल हेल्थ तो
Preventive
उस
mental
स्टेज से
health.
पहले जो हाँ हाँ तो
Is there
उस
any
स्टेज में जो
website?
हमें सुन
Acha, okay.
यस 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 यू कैन सर्च ऑन गूगल द टेल मी
What?
द टेल मी
Don't tell me.
the just 1 minute.
You can write it in a chat so that everyone can see.
Yes.
That's really amazing.
The tell
So
me. Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
yes, 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 yes.
I just shared the link.
Yeah, yeah. Same.
Okay, nice. Feeling overwhelmed. I guess these things are going to get a good grip in coming years, I guess, because most of the people in my workplace also are actually suffering from these kind of. Matlab, it's a real issue these days, na?
Yeah.
Okay.
We are currently focusing to collaborate with small businesses and corporates. Even we find out that IVF patients also suffering from the mental health.
So,
Mostly 80% of females are
acha, okay.
suffering from mental health issues, in infertility issues.
So you organize sessions or you like one-on-one
No, no,
sessions?
no, not session, one-on-one.
One-on-one. What is the fees? I guess it is. It should be expensive, right?
Currently 300, but if we collaborate with some institute or uh, colleges, IVF or corporates, we provide some discount.
Okay,
I
nice.
think I should best customer then.
Yes, yes, you can try. You can try. 15 minutes are free.
Okay. No, how about like
Yes, yes.
privacy and all? Because
Uh,
once upon a time, I just used to visit like my psychiatrist a lot. Okay, even when I was in college,
You
I used
use
to.
psychiatrist? Yeah, really?
So there was a like a manager at Amazon like who tortured me a lot.
Ah,
Okay, because whom I lost. My Amazon offer from Canada. I got an offer of 1.5 crore, and
Oh,
basically he did not release me
okay.
at Amazon Finance in India. So I got stuck, and later I applied for other team. But later this guy did not release me. He started torturing me. He gave me the work of almost of 18 months, which I had to close in less than 30 days.
18
And
months of work. My God.
told that it is highly impossible. But still, I worked almost like 20 hours a day, every day, including Saturdays, Sundays. I closed it in 45 days. And this guy told like you actually delayed it. Then I wrote a report multiple times, multiple escalations, and then I reached out to one-to-one help, which is like officially Amazon is using it. So
Mm.
they got some sessions and they told like it is not the problem with me, it's the problem with my manager. And then they also informed the HR, but they did not believe. Then I had to. They suggested me, referred me to a psychiatrist. I went there, so I talked to them. So literally, especially for startup founders and all, these sessions are like very much required straight away.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
And make it like quite effort, right? Because my psychiatrist, at last, when I visited him almost like 4 years back, he was charging roughly around like 1250 per 45 minutes.
Twelve
Okay, which
fifty
is
per 45 minutes.
yes. And then the
Wonderful.
reason why I had to start this kind of dating app, Catch You Online, was also this. A lot of loneliness. I don't know with whom to talk, with whom to share everything. And then I started this application. But it went in a different way. So I
Wow.
think, yeah. Can I have your pricing sheet so that I can also help you on that part in getting more clients?
Uh,
Yeah, what is the pricing?
uh,
Let me see. If I log in or sign up,
300 rupees for 15 minutes. You can do login or sign up. You can click on the connect now.
Actually, I,
First 15.
this is like quite expensive.
299 per 50.
Mm,
No, no, I guess 315 minutes. No, it is cheaper than your, I guess.
No, no, 200 per hour. So,
200 per hour. Okay.
no, no, 1200.
Actually, basically, this is not my startup. Actually, I am working with for them uh, because actually I am a student. I am a second year student from medical background,
Okay.
and I met with this founder, and he also liked that I want to learn about these things. So he just say that come and join us and learn with us.
Okay. But tell that founder that he has to change the pricing. Okay. And especially that 490
Okay.
15 minutes is like quite expensive. People will feel like the biggest problem is like today I'll come, I'll share my information. Okay. And anything like needs to be recurrent. Okay. I used to visit my psychiatrist at least like 15 days once. And then later he pushed it
Mm.
to a month and he suggested me to take a break. Then I literally started moving to other countries like Mauritius. That was the first time.
It's a
Okay.
therapy in itself.
Sorry?
It's a therapy in itself, no?
Yeah, because I had to leave my work. So I need his letter. So he gave me a letter officially because he told that I have to take a break. If not, I'm already burned out by then. So the pricing, if they can adjust, right? And then we can
Okay.
also help. I think Avinash has a great network of right now with startup founders.
Okay.
And especially like me, like we, I mean, roam at different networks. So we can help
Mm.
him like getting like calls. But this pricing, I think he has to rethink on it. Okay.
What
We
should be
will.
the ideal
We
pricing
can
according
discuss
to
on
you, Puna?
this.
Sorry.
What should be the
Ideal
ideal pricing?
price.
Yeah.
Ideal price, I think 499 per hour would be better. See, maximum
Okay.
4 sessions weekly. Once they can come connect with you guys, and then they can start talking. Because once people start talking, right, they forget about the time, and then literally it goes off.
Exactly.
And you should
Yeah.
not them if you start interrupting, and it should not be something like money kind of thing. Okay, give me money, I'll listen to all your problems. Already we are
Mm.
seeing. Okay, give me. I mean, you have to pay me. I'll listen. If I have to cry along for your problems, then you have to pay me more.
Oh,
Okay.
then they'll cry more.
So this should not be. This should not become a joke kind of thing, right?
Okay,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah, valid point, man. I
You
mean,
wanted,
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
for
continue,
50
continue.
minutes, I believe if we give an intro, right? We both giving an
Yeah.
introduction, I guess that 50 minutes will be gone.
First 15 minutes are free. Then after that, we'll pay for next.
I guess if we cannot connect with the other app, but the Astro app these days are also like the same, right? In the first few chats are free, and then when you are interested in talking, then they want money now.
But one thing you guys believe in this Astro app. What do you think about that app? I mean, they're getting this kind of funding, right? So I'm like, so
Ah,
people are actually believing it. I was like,
See,
are you serious?
I I guess Poona will agree to this that even if people believe or not, but if the trend is there, if we can make business out of it, everything is good, right?
You know what? That I agree to it. But one thing what I did is like I learned astrology completely from
Yeah,
scratch.
and yeah, he's done that.
In like
Okay.
one week,
it's interesting actually.
it's like
Astrology is interesting,
yeah,
and you can't say that it's truly matlab, completely false.
Hmm.
At least 50% you मीन्स अभी तो मैं जिन लोगों से थोड़ा डिस्कशन किया हूँ तो 50% ये थोड़ा राइट आता है मतलब इट्स मैटर कि आपके जो बर्थ प्लेसेस पे वो जो कौन से ग्रह होते हैं वो वगैरह क्योंकि अभी मैं आयुर्वेद का स्टूडेंट हूँ तो हमारे आयुर्वेद में ऐसा बताया गया है कि मतलब आप जब जन्म लेते हैं या फिर आपका जो फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है तब उस टाइम पे आपने सुना होगा वात पित्त कफ के बारे में दोषाज। हम्म, हम्म, हम्म। तो उस टाइम के जब फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है बॉडी में तब उस टाइम पे जो दोषाज डोमिनेंट होते हैं तो उसके हिसाब से आपकी प्रकृति मतलब आपका बिहेवियर आपकी बॉडी टाइप वगैरह वगैरह वो सब डिसाइड होती है। तो वी कैन रिलेट इट विद दैट कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी में भी वही बताया गया है कि आपके जन्म के टाइम और आपके डेट के हिसाब से वो ग्रह से फिर वो प्रिडिक्ट करते हैं
Got it.
Okay,
कि
So,
आपका
nice.
बिहेवियर वगैरह कैसा है आपकी थिंकिंग या फिर आप पैसों के लिए लालची है या फिर ऐसा मतलब।
Omkar, a few things can be modified. Okay, I mean, even after that, because it all depends on what you actually do. Okay, yeah. I just wanted to pull back, like coming to like you discussed about like psychology kind of thing. I worked on a brain health application completely from scratch. I'm not sure. Remember, like I left Amazon and then came to my startup and lost everything
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and got back into a startup. Okay, that is this one.
Oh,
So here, if you download this app and all, right, you will get your brain's age, exact brain age.
age.
It is
Okay,
brain's age, not your age. It's brain's age.
okay.
I mean,
So
what's the difference? Like,
Yeah,
I mean, I
there's a
don't know.
biological age and a mental age, right?
yes,
Okay.
so psychiatrist is different, like how your brain reacts and functions. Okay, and how healthy is your brain is defined by this. I built this from scratch, and they paid me well. I actually have to accept for that, and they also raised like more than a 1.5 million dollar after that.
Oh, how
They
much
also
time it took to build it this? Build this?
So initially they tried all the similar sessions kind of thing which Omkar was telling for the previous site, and after that they got funding from Capital A, and by then like I was almost all, like jobless and I lost everything in my startup and then moved it, and in 7.5 months we built three products for them.
Okay.
First, in just 3.5 months we did it completely, and two people. I used to take care of deployments and backend everything, and front end also I started with that, and then I handed it to a front end lead, and then we also hired like one more person, an IATM, but he could not sustain with our speed, so he left, and then we also hired like other VATM, and he helped us to stay on like, and we did it literally. So it was an amazing one. You can try it. I think first you can track the brain health age. It was completely gaming. You know, my job was like almost like after a certain time, I had to play games and write a report of the game. So I was like, "Okay, paying me just for playing games, literally."
Gamification of any app is really very good, right?
So like I felt like I have to play same game multiple times, hundreds of times. I was like, okay, literally, this is amazing.
And you are paid for that.
Yeah,
Wow.
1.5 lakh per month.
Oh, oh my God.
It's keeping your mental health a great, great point.
So most of my time was like play games. After almost like 5 or 6 months, all that I had to do was like play games, buy from them, talk to people, get the pricing, good pricing, get as many games as possible. Because your brain health is actually dependent on some 22 cognitive skills, or like I don't know exactly what they're called. Okay, so that is why this is all about cognitive health.
Acha.
It is
Got it.
Okay.
yeah, little different from that of psychology. Okay, and a lot of times you think it is because of psychology or something you have to go to psychiatrist. Okay, it is not exactly psychiatrist, it's about your brain. Okay, if you start playing and if you start keeping your I mean brain with like good in good pace or something, you'll be very active, like the way how you make physical moves and then get sweat out of it, the same way. Now I think they went to like B2B also.
Oh, there's so many good clients there.
Yeah, they told me to stay, they also gave me shares, but I did not like it at the time much. All about like culture I feel, but still like it's a great one.
Nice,
Okay.
nice. It's nice.
And these guys went to Shark Tank, and the way it went was like amazing actually. So, can you open like YouTube and Shark Tank 4 and season 4, I think so, or type like Library Shark Tank.
YouTube, Shark Tank.
Yeah, Shark Tank, Live Ivory. So I felt like okay, I worked with these guys who went to Shark Tank today. Live
Wow,
Ivory. I, and then I was like in a shock. These guys, the first one.
wow. So you built the app for them and they went
Into the
to.
Fleece India Company.
Okay, let me
We
change
handle
it.
international payments for Indian exporters.
वॉल्यूम यस छोटे हो जाते हैं और अगर ये डिक्लाइन बहुत ही फास्ट तरीके से होता है
You have
तो
met.
उसको हम
You
बोलते
have
हैं
met them, right?
माइल्ड कॉग्निटिव इम्पेयरमेंट यानी एमसीआई विच इन एडवांस स्टेजेस कैन लीड टू डिमेंशिया सबसे अलार्मिंग बात ये है कि ये जो स्टेट है डिमेंशिया का ये मोस्ट
Ivory, because it's a very resilient element of nature. It's also a hat tip to the state both of us come from. Elephants, Kerala.
ठीक है जी, तो आइवरी कैसे हुआ इसके बारे में बताइए।
The irony is that हम दोनों को एंटलर में उसी हफ्ते में कोविड भी हुआ, तो हम और किसी से मिल नहीं पा रहे थे। तब मुझे पता चला कि राहुल एक्चुअली एक ग्रैंडफादर और ग्रैंडचाइल्ड को कनेक्ट करने के लिए एक प्रोडक्ट बनाना चाहते हैं। फिर मैंने बताया यार मैं तो एक्चुअली एक फैमिली रिमेम्बरेंस के लिए एक प्रोडक्ट बनाना चाहता हूँ बिकॉज when my father passed away I had very little memories to go by। तो वहां से हमारी बात शुरू हुई, तो हमने बोला यार लगता है हमारा टीजी दोनों का सेम है, तो ट्राई मारते हैं। एंड हमने पहले 1 साल तो बहुत ही फेल्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए, तब हमारे पास फंडिंग कुछ नहीं था। हम बस एक एक प्रोडक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट लॉन्च करते थे, फेसबुक पे टेस्ट करते थे और देखते थे कि ये लोग पैसे दे रहे हैं या नहीं दे रहे हैं। तो हमने स्टोरी राइटिंग प्रोग्राम किया, हमने पेंटिंग प्रोग्राम किया, हमने संस्कृत सिखाया लोगों को, लोगों के टेक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए, एवरीथिंग फॉर 55+। ऐसे करते करते वेलनेस के पास गए। फिर हमने एक दिन एक न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट के साथ एक ओपन Q&A सेशन रखा। उस दिन इट वाज द हाईएस्ट कन्वर्जन, शो अप, अटेंडेंस, सम 25 पीपल शोड अप और उसके लिए भी हमने पैसे लिए। उसके बाद हमने सेशन आपने क्यों अटेंड किया, तो कहते हैं हमारी मेमोरी जा रही है, मेमोरी जा रही है, मेमोरी जा रही है। ये क्यों प्रॉब्लम है? क्योंकि हमने फैमिली में देखा है, मैंने किसी को दोस्त को देखा है, हमको नहीं होने का है। तब हमें समझ में आया कि मार्केट में ये प्रोडक्ट की नीड है। इंडिया में सिर्फ 3,000 न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट हैं, 12,000 कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट, 8,000 ऑर्थोपेडिस्ट, राइट नमिता, यू नो दिस। तो मतलब ये इसमें डिमांड का कंस्ट्रेंट है। फिर हम थोड़े से इसमें डीपर गए तो हमने समझा कि यार वेस्ट में ये वर्ल्ड हमसे बहुत आगे है। कॉग्निटिव टेस्टिंग, कॉग्निटिव गेमिंग, न्यूरोसाइंस असेसमेंट, ये सब चीजें हैं उधर। इंडिया में सब कुछ ये पेन एंड पेपर पे होता है। तब हमको समझ में आया कि हमने को इस डायरेक्शन में जाना।
तो ये सबके लिए है 40+।
This is nice. Oh, this is really nice.
I work with them in a small cubicle, okay, where there is no space even to walk in a co-working space. It was like amazing working with them.
Yeah, they have tried many things and then they have come up to this, right?
And still, like in case if you get any blockers or anything, take suggestions as many as possible because
Yeah.
you might have to pivot a lot of times your idea, okay, or
Yeah.
anyone's idea. And Omkar, like I literally see you are in like an amazing path because a lot of students, okay, after their classes they actually end up in their homes or like in playgrounds mostly, and you are actually working with startups at very this, early age. Okay, I have to literally say that you are in the right path because now also like I work with university students. I see them like what they do is like they think doing some internships or learning something is like waste of money mostly because a lot of even market has become in such a way they take money and then they waste it a lot of times. So what I see in you is like you are in the right, okay, and that to
Yeah,
it's actually your part. Okay, if in case if you're interested, I can also connect you with these people. Okay,
yeah.
because I work with them very closely in the tech. Every day I used to work with all the people like from marketing, sales, everyone because we were just 8 people initially. Think of it, it's 8 people, and then they did everything because they also had the support of this fundraising. I mean, capital agencies, everything. I mean, like investment backers, exactly. I can say.
Great,
Okay,
great.
nice.
एक्चुअली मुझे ही आपको पूछना था कि अगर पॉसिबल हो तो हम सेशन कर सकते हैं
Definitely.
और इस पे डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। आप भी थोड़े हमें फिर सजेशन और इम्प्रूवमेंट्स वगैरह बता देंगे तो वो भी अच्छा रहेगा।
I mean, you are. What is your role in the startup?
Actually, there is no any defined role for me because as I am student, so I need to
Acceptable.
handle both college and this thing. Uh,
Let me
so still, what I do, I approach to my uh, areas, corporates, IVFs, and try to partner with them.
Okay. So because I run the startup and today also I had like 3 more new campus ambassadors. I give them a title at least. Okay. And then whatever is related to that particular title, they revolve around it. So for me, like I need to
to be frank to say, I need someone who can work for free of cost for me. Okay. So I
Okay.
get this campus ambassador. In their college, what they have to do is like they come to my office, they learn everything about my product. Okay. They also develop parallelly some features. Okay. And then they go and implement in their college. So now universities and all they need some tech support to product. Okay. I mean, like any system, especially when there are thousands of students, it takes a lot of time for them to understand about the product. Okay, various features and all. So that is why what I do is like I get like at least 4 students from every college. I give them, train them, and then I send them back to their colleges. And now they'll be like 100% aware of this product. Okay, so instead of reaching out to me, they'll reach out to these people. That's it. They'll do everything for the college.
Okay.
They're still studying in their college. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and that is how I improve my network a lot. And there is a reason for pitching for the universities and colleges first is like if
Mm-hmm.
thousands of people will be there. They already know that I also give for other products. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so in your case, I think Avinash is like the best person. Okay, to help you share the contacts of all these founders. Okay, who has money, at least like small money, so you can give like more discounts when they come from Avinash. Okay, and
Yeah, sure.
in your business, the best part is like recurring. Okay, it's a recurring
Exactly.
business, not a one-time part. Most of the businesses that we try today are like might be one time. Okay, but what you're doing is a recurring one because if a person comes, at least it takes like 3 to 4 sessions to understand that particular person.
Right.
Post that you'll start giving suggestions or anything in case I'm not sure if you are giving. Okay, or if you're just listening, then they are ready to come a lot of times.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have trained psychologists, so if they want to suggest a suggestion, then they can give.
Hmm. So also get like qualified people. Okay, not I mean anyone.
Qualified, all are qualified. You can see on the website that we have all qualified trained psychologists. इवन जो हमारी साइकोलॉजिस्ट की हेड है या फिर वो जो मैनेज करती है तो वो इनवाइटेड है रणवीर अलाबादिया के पॉडकास्ट में इवन शमानी के पॉडकास्ट पे इनवाइटेड है तो वी हैव ऑल ट्रेंड पर्सन.
Yeah. So I one more thing is like in India, one of the biggest problem a lot of people feel is like if you are going to a psychiatrist, if you are going to a psychological person, okay, they feel like okay, you are something wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
Thing that you have to do is like conduct these kind of awareness sessions. Okay.
Mhm.
Being open up is something completely different. Okay. Thinking that okay, someone is having some problem. The first line in your website which I read was like actually amazing. Okay. Too much on your mind, you don't have to carry it alone. Okay. This itself
Yes.
is a lot
Mhm.
and every founder's minds. Okay, or a lot of people are there, even college students. Okay, you can get like you have like very great customer base. Okay, to be frank, only thing is that you have to pitch at the right place at the right time. Things are done because a lot of people they don't know with whom to share with, and then the confidentiality is very 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 important. You cannot compromise on confidentiality at any cost. Okay, in case if someone comes to know that a part of your, I mean, that privacy is gone. Okay, you are leaking the information or something, or somehow the information is getting out. Okay, because you're also dealing with like a lot of external psychiatrists or right psychological people. Okay, so you should be very careful with each and every one of them. And in case if they get the sessions in private, okay, once I start with a person, I don't want your help right anymore. You should be careful on this one. Okay, I can share my information or the counselor can share the information and straight away we'll connect out of it. They'll be like, okay, you're paying 500, pay me 200 or 300. That's it over. That's the biggest scheme. It happens. Okay. So you should be aware of this one. Okay. And see like what you can do on it. By the way,
Oh,
yesterday I played like, okay,
yeah.
sorry, I'm rushing.
Oh, you want to say something? You can. Oh, we are just. Go.
Like we are already running out of time.
Yeah.
So what I did yesterday was like I started. I mean, not yesterday. Almost since long time I'm using ChatGPT a lot. Yesterday I want Claude to know about me. I opened like Claude and Claude doesn't have any information about me. So what I did was like I opened this voice. I mean, voice mode on Claude as well as voice mode on ChatGPT. I told to ChatGPT, a friend of mine wants to know about me. Tell, and it started mentioning me as you every time. I told, okay, don't mention me as you. Okay, mention Purna everywhere. Okay, then
Okay.
these two started discussing about me. And later about so that enter information from ChatGPT went to Claude about me.
Uh-huh. I guess I mean, yeah, this is one crazy way, but yeah, I guess you can transfer the memories.
Yeah, I mean there is this transfer learning, but they haven't given this option of transfer learning. So what I had was like straight away, okay, you both talk and take my information. So they,
Okay.
once they, so initially they, I mean, Claude said that I cannot take knowledge from ChatGPT. I was like, okay, don't worry, you can ask my friend. And then I told to ChatGPT, okay, my friend is asking about me, tell about it. My friend is asking about my companies, tell about it. And they literally spoke in such a way that in detail of each and everything.
Got it.
I think Gemini give this option that it's Gemini helping person to transfer their memory from other GPTs to Gemini.
I think
So inbuilt it give it copy paste from to person, so he can copy and paste on other GPTs or in Chat GPT, and
Mhm.
Chat GPT will give all the answers and just copy that answer and paste in Gemini,
I
and
mean,
Gemini will make the memory.
I guess Purna is like they have their own way and I have my own way.
no, like
Right, right, right.
the reason is, in case if it does something wrong, I can come in between and I can tell both of it. Okay, this is something like wrong or like you are getting deviated. Okay, this is what I was expecting, and you should not tell. I mean, in a different way. So both agents will understand.
Got it.
Yes.
Instead of using one agent, now if two agents are there, like two personal assistants. Okay, so if one gives you in the wrong direction, then the other one will correct it automatically.
Lol.
Right.
I would like to show one thing, Avinash.
Okay, okay, yeah.
I mean, yeah. So yeah, I explained about this cloud up, right? It's kind of this, but yeah, after getting these reviews, I might have to work on it and yeah, get some customers. I guess I can get. Not sure, but yeah. But one product which I'm working seriously is I'll just show my. It's a mobile application like recently, right? Not recently. I mean, 1 month back or something when I'm wanted some Xerox like of my passport, and even when I'm talking with my loan officer, right, they're asking a lot of sensitive documents. Even in Xerox shop, we have to send them our passport or else other whatever the things which you have to do the Xerox and all, right. So our sensitive information is mostly getting passed to this mediator, which is not safe in India, right? I have observed a lot of people. Let's say if you wanted to share your credit card with others, what are you doing? You're just sending it over WhatsApp, right? But yeah, I don't think so the data stays there even you have deleted the filer, right? If the guy has enabled Google backup on, the file goes to his backup as well. So I mean in India, like I have observed a lot of times the Xerox missions or else the government employees or else this Me Seva Kendras, if you guys know the Me Seva, they'll be assisting us on government services. So there as well, they're just asking us to send it over Gmail, their personal Gmail or else the WhatsApp, so they can do printouts and all. So I was like a bit frustrated, like why should I even send you? Why? Why? I was like that, and out of frustration, I just thought of making this app wherein you can send files. I mean, on a temporary basis. It's kind of sharing the files, any kind of file you can. It's a very simple app, but yeah, I'm thinking the market is huge. I'm working on product demo. Let me just share it with you guys.
Yeah, okay.
Uh,
So we'll keep the it in a wrap up it in 1 or 2 minutes so that
yeah, yeah, yeah.
we can have it. Okay.
Sure, sure. Yeah, this is just a 48 seconds video.
Actually, you're going to show the video.
Yeah, it's a mobile app. So I'm working on it, but yeah, I thought of just show it to you guys. So here, you'll just send. Yeah, yeah, just have a look.
Acha, okay. Is this
So
currently active? Acha, you are saying.
Yeah, I'm working on it in mostly in a month, right? It will be on Play Store. So this is a secure mode where you can share your credit card or else anything. Screenshots, downloads, else everything is blocked in this case. You can stop sharing whenever you want.
Kaushik, one thing.
Mhm.
So can you come up with a use case once again here?
Sharing files temporarily. That's the only use case where I observed. I mean, most of the normal people, right? Whoever is,
To
uh, To anyone, the mostly I see that to the mediators, which is kind of let's say you're sending it to as I said, right, you went to Xerox shop, you're sharing with them, you're with a loan officer, you're sharing with them, and someone is asking for your Aadhaar for some verification, you're sharing with them. the Mhm,
So when you share it at like Xerox Center, okay, you
mhm.
set them, you delete them immediately, okay.
Okay.
But the biggest thing what they do is like they download it.
Yes.
You got my point, right?
Yeah.
So downloading they cannot do. This is the first idea which a lot of people think their college, because even I thought it like almost all 10 years back in
Mhm,
2016 of doing something like this.
mhm,
And stood a lot of people what they do is like they download it. Okay,
mhm.
without downloading they cannot print it.
I Yeah, so for this one, right, I have provided print option directly over website.
But you know what? When you are giving print option,
Mhm.
in the default printer options itself, there is an option of save as PDF everywhere, in mobile as well as like in the web everywhere. Okay,
Yeah.
try this print option, and there is another option like save as PDF.
Yes.
Okay, they will do that save as PDF. You cannot block it.
No, yeah, one thing, yeah, I agree on you, completely agree on you at this point. The thing is, right, if the person is trying to do some scam or something, we can't stop them. The only thing which I'm trying to do is, let's say there is one uncle who is in Xerox shop, okay? He might not be a scammer. He might don't wanted to do anything, any bad stuff or something. The question is why? Why even our data should be in his phone? Like, let's say I have opened his phone, thousands of Aadhaar cards, thousands of PAN cards, everything. The question is like, let's say, yeah, I completely agree on you. Yeah, it's we can save it as PDF and it can be still. The thing is, if the actor, the whatever the guy, if he wants to do these kind of things, anyhow it's possible. But the where I'm stopping is why even we share our sensitive data to someone. It's that part.
Okay. Okay.
So, okay. So, Avinash,
Yeah.
I just wanted to add one thing.
Okay.
So, in case I think we should get like everyone's social media also, so that whenever there is a possibility, let every one of us follow like every other person's Facebook pages and Insta pages, LinkedIn, everywhere. Okay. So what we can do is like as a startup founders, we all know that we are in the same page, okay, at the same level. So getting likes, comments is like very difficult from like new people. Okay. So if we can start doing it for others, okay, it actually helps everyone. What do you think?
It's actually a
Great,
good
great
idea.
idea.
Yeah, it's like we make a post and we wait for our customer base to react, and it takes a lot of time. Okay, so as like founders, let's do it. So every day, let's post and share it on a group or somewhere, mentioning that hey, I have posted this, and in case you can like it, that actually gives a great boost for a lot of people. So it doesn't cost us anything.
And
Yeah. So,
it allows you to test also.
A lot,
Yeah.
literally.
Okay. So thank you everyone for joining. Really, it's a nice and fruitful discussion. I just request you to please fill out the form, and we can get connected. So we do these meetings every alternate days, and we record it and put it on YouTube. So you can actually take a snippets and share it as well. So it would work.
Kaushik and Rakesh, if you can turn on your cams, that will be better so that we can capture.
Yeah.
yeah, sure. Actually, I did not get time to showcase my idea. Uh,
Actually, we want to. So we can do it next time. I'll. You can share
mm,
it. Share your website link also, so that we can do it next time. Definitely.
yeah, currently, as I mentioned, I don't have a website.
Okay.
It's in my local, so I can walk you through when we get done. I have filled out the form anyways.
Yeah. Okay.
That's good.
I joined the community group as
Sure. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank
Can you turn on your cam, like if possible, like
Yeah.
Rakesh and Kaushik? So
Um,
people.
well. Sorry,
I'm not that camera friendly, man.
uh,
Just for
one
food.
minute.
Oh, fine. No, no, sorry, sorry.
That's okay.
Very uncomfortable. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. So.
I just turned it on.
Okay.
1 second, 1 second. Uh, let me